Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can log into your Cisco account. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open any kind of browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So after opening your browser, you're going to go to the search bar and start typing cisco.com. After you've typed that down, tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Cisco. Here you can see this as the official website, and in here you will be able to see the option of login right here. Click on this. Here you can see this is the login page, and in here you have to now add in your email address. After adding down your email address, now click on next. After doing so, your password will be required, so add in your password of your Cisco account. After adding down your password, now click on verify. And here you can see we have now successfully been logged into our Cisco account. Here you can see on the top your name is right here. You can click on it and this is your profile, and you can manage your profile, manage communication preference or anything that you want. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can log into your Cisco account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.